And this is my doggy Bear Nan Nan. What you doing, Nan? What you doing? Nope. This is a video camera. Hey, that's my doofus sister Bree. And Bear, you're sweet. Come here. Bear. Bear. Come here. I need you. Those are my basketballs.
What's inside the house?
Wait, what?
What's inside the house?
No, don't feed her.
What's inside the house?
Mom.
What's inside the
That's
house?
my mommy.
What's inside the house?
A woofy woof. Hi. Again. Don't do that at her. Just give her the freaking snack.
Say I love you.
Why, Brie? Why? I'll eat it.
We're not a dog.
Now let's go into the bathroom.
Someone's done there. Wait, guys, take a squat.
Oh, run! Oh. And Bree has to take a squat.
No, I
This
don't.
is my toilet water. Isn't it so pretty? Ah, I'm gonna touch you. Oh, nacho and cheese. Look at my nacho and cheese, man. Look at Bree's stinky meal. She's like a hog. But look at my perfect meal. Looks like a bunch of chippy chips and turdy turds.
At least I'm skinny.
At least I am too. You're almost 500 pounds, you turd.
I'm only 60 pounds.
Yeah, right. Say it to the crowd, please. Where do you walk?
You are not smarter than a 5th grader.
Yeah, huh? You ain't either. At least I'm in a higher grade.
No, you're not.
Uh-huh. Can't even dribble a basketball. Mommy. What you making, Mom?
A burrito.
A burrito? A burrito. It's Mexican. It's Mexican. It's Mexican for taco. Get away, you turd! Oh! You hurt my hand! Now my hand's burning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to look at this. Don't. I'm running. And this is my stepdad Body's room. That's our PlayStation. That's their TV. That's their chair. That's their computer. And this is the TV. There's Bree's Play-Doh. And here's Bree's. And this is my bingo hat. Oh no, kitchen we go. See you later, guys.